This is Namrita,
Alia.
Alia, Shivani, and June's gift, and Karishka's.
I love bubble wrap.
मैं बहुत मेहनत करवा दूँ तुम मुझको. Ta-da!
Wow.
I want to see this.
Buka. I love this effect. You need to guess how many pics of you are there and what all.
London, Starbucks,
Pool.
poolside, Jivika Viren. Jivika Viren fusion shoot. That's the only ones that I can figure out. Tell me if I'm right, huh? Welcome to the world of the man Karan Thakur. Before you start reading the book, take a minute remembering the journey of how did Karan become the Karan Thakur that everyone knows today. It has clearly been a long journey and we are all so proud of you. There are probably lots more in store for you, but this book is a little attempt to describe your life till date. Hence, we authors would like to take this special opportunity on your birthday to give you bits of memories and special moments to remember. Wow, yaar. I just want to flip through this once and show you guys the amount of effort that's gone in. This is brilliant, yeah. Thank you. You know, truly, when I mean, you know, it's you guys that truly make an actor, and really sweet, yeah. Here's a quick look of what you would be coming across in the book. Baby and childhood days, Karan in his teen days, the first step into television industry, career opportunities, different shades of Karan, glamorous photo shoots, awards, parties, messages from family, cousins, friends and fans. Baby and childhood days, यार so sweet यार, तुम सब लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत की यार, वाकई.
Who's that?
That's my grandmother.
That's Sasha.
That's Sasha, that's me. There's a little update I'd like to give you. That's not me. That is my sister, by the way. That is Sasha in the picture. Very cute.
So cute. This is so cute.
This is at a waterfall close to Bombay.
Yeah, you were so adorable.
I still am.
I wouldn't have said
True
word
story,
then.
alright? This is, I think, my first birthday. This or this, one of these two. This is my first birthday. Karan in his teen days.
Do we want to
Oh,
see
I don't want
this?
to see that. I used to be damn ugly. Ew!
So cute.
But this is not my teen. This is like some 9. I was 9 years old. You know, can I be honest? I specifically remember this. Matlab, I know when I click this picture, I know what I was doing. I know exactly. Like, it feels like I remember this moment, even though it was like I was like 8 years old. But yeah, this I don't remember. This is just ugly.
Good job, guys.
It says this is probably one of the best periods in a person's life. It's a period I don't remember. That's me and Daddy. This is my teen years. This and this. Do I look different?
Yes.
Better?
Side locks have grown.
The first step into television industry. Star Sansar. This is Star Sansar. I used to hate doing this show. I mean, I'll be honest, I could not do it. I found it so tough because you know, I was not an actor earlier, right? I mean, I didn't know anything of anything to do with cameras and all of that. So they used to do one shots of long lines, like about 2, 3, 4 pages of just narration in pure Hindi. And my co-star, she was really good. You know, her Hindi was really good. She was already an anchor, and I was pathetic. So I used to really not like shooting because मुझसे होता नहीं था, and I used to really crib कि why can't I do it. Career opportunities. This pretty much sums up all my shows. Love Ne Mila Di Jodi. This is Love Ne Mila Di Jodi. This is Odni. This is also Odni. This is Ek Hazaron Mein. खुश कितना लग रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे?
OS में खड़ा कौन है? देखो 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 देखो.
You know, looking at this Nanga picture, the only opportunity I see is like a Desi boys, you know, some stripper of some sort. Oh God. Hideous, yeah. We're looking so bad. Look at our makeups.
White.
I love this hair. Different shades of Karan.
Sometimes pale makeup, sometimes tanned makeup. That's what they mean. Sometimes holy color. Oh God, look at me screaming hideous.
Look at my arms. वाह यार मेरी बॉडी बड़ी अच्छी हुआ करती थी एक टाइम पे. ये लब ने मिला दी जोड़ी का फर्स्ट शेड्यूल है दैट वी शॉट इन पंचगिनी. एंड आई रिमेंबर दिस सीन सो विविडली. मैं घंटी बजा रहा हूँ टंग 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 टंग. Glamorous photo shoots. Oh God, I hate photo shoots.
I've never seen this picture. Such a nice picture.
I absolutely hate getting clicked. I swear to God, मतलब I get so conscious in front of a still camera. If somebody tells me to hold a pose, I absolutely hate it. But yeah, you know, we managed to get some decent pictures of mine finally. Wow, wow.
Are these shades really pink?
Yeah. Awards. This is my first award, by the way.
New Talent Awards. Thank you
This
so
was New
much.
Talent Awards. I got awarded for being the most stylish actor on television.
Wow.
And then there are so many. I haven't won any award this year. I'm really irritated. You know, I think I could use some awards.
Me too.
You know,
Yeah.
gives you a nice boost. Makes you want to work more. You know, work more harder.
Party.
Parties. Outdoors, this is just one party I've been to.
नहीं यार ये भी पार्टी है.
Party, 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 party. Oh, sounds like potty, potty.
You don't go to so many parties anyway.
Yeah, yeah. कोई बुलाता ही नहीं है. Messages from family. This chapter is very important for you, Karan. Ever felt like you did not have the time to catch up with all your family friends? Said and probably second home. Oh, this is a message actually from my parents.
Yeah, dude.
Thank you. My dad. Dad writes, today's an auspicious day in my life because today someone came in my life and made me a proud father. Happy birthday, my loving son. My mum says nothing compares to the pride parents feel when they see their little son grow up to be a kind young man. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to call ourselves proud parents. Happy birthday, my son. Sasha says, happy birthday, baby T. You're a year older today, but you'll still be my baby brother. I hope this year brings you a lot of love, success, happiness, everything that you wish for. Thank you. Thank you very much. Really sweet. This one's from my brother. Hey bro, wishing you a happy birthday. You're not only my brother, but my best buddy and an inspiration. You're superb. You're a superb actor, but a better human being. Hope you achieve much more success. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Oh, that's pretty much all my cousins here. Wow, how did they get so many pictures? That's my brother Amit. That's my sister Anika. That's Karina, Ashma, Mansi Di. That's my bhabi Shivali. That's Sanchi, my bua, my dadi. Wow, यार ये सारी फोटोआं तो मेरे पास भी नहीं है यार. Thank you. Messages for my friends Rajiv. I love this guy, yaar. He's one of my sweetest buddies. Says, dear Karan, what can I say? You're one in a million, a true friend, a brother, and a really genuine person. You're such a good friend, one person who always has my back. You're a great guy, and I wish you a very happy birthday. And I wish that all your dreams come true. Love you so much, bro. You know, this guy's fantastic. You know, his name's Rajiv. You know, when I was in London in November last year, this boy took a lot of care of me. You know, he's like a brother to me, and he's superb. You know, he and this friend of mine called Mitesh, even he's there. You know, I met them there actually, and they took fantastic care of me, and you know, I truly owe them a lot. I'm going to see you soon, Rajiv. I was going to say something else, but I'm going to see you soon. Hey, they're my close buddies, Kavi, Cheryl, really close friends of mine. These are people we can ignore. Can still disuse हैं. पता नहीं कौन है. कहाँ से आ जाते हैं. Karan, अब तुम ही पढ़ लो ना अपनी आवाज में.
नहीं
पढ़ लो. I want. अरे it's better that I hear it just from you, यार.
Karan, the one and only person who can bring a smile to my face even on the dullest day or the worst mood. Super caring, helpful, sweet, and a true friend indeed. Thanks for being a part of my life and making these 1 year, 7 months, and each day yet to come a journey worth remembering. Our mad times, our fun times, laughing out loud for no reason, our lunches, our 2.5 men will always be incomplete to me without 2.5 men will always be incomplete to me without you.
Sounds wrong.
Lots of love on this day to you. Happy birthday, Taka.
Thank you so much. Can we... don't touch me. Wahi ne message diya, kya haal hai bhai? Wishing Karan a very happy birthday. May you get all that you want, including all the love from millions of girls out there. And tell him to give half of them to me. Sweet. Anju ji, Karan, happy birthday, success and peace. My friend Jia, happy birthday, superstar. We've known each other for years now. Pretty much took our baby steps into television together. Really proud of you. In fact, Jia Mustafa is a friend of mine. We know each other since school, and we did our first pilot for Disney. It was a show that I shot a pilot. Like, that was the first thing that I ever shot in my life. And unfortunately, that pilot never took off. But life's been fantastic after that, regardless. So no regrets there. There's so many. There's Divya ji. There's my boy Anupam. There are always men riding high and low, but you're the one unstoppable and the man to go. So wish you all the best. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you so much, buddy. My really, really dear friend, truly, I have very few friends in the industry, and this girl's always taking care of me. All of you all know her name's Ashima Mishra. So it says, "Yo, Katie, happy." By the way, the habit of yo that I have is from Ashima. It says, "Yo, Katie, happy yo birthday to you, yo, on your special day." And I know that you are always remembered by me. You should know that you always remember me. All my prayers are with you. Thank you so much. Gaurav, Sehman, Alok, everybody who's wished me. Thank you so much, guys. Really sweet. Messages from fans. This one's from Shivani. Happy 27th birthday. It's so glad to have you, have known you through something wonderful called television. I'm proud to call myself a fan. Thank you. You've achieved so much in your life till date, and God bless, continue achieving many more things. So proud of you and your success. This one's from Kanishka. Hi Kanishka, how are you doing? Happy birthday, Katie. May all your wishes come true and you get a lot of gifts and awards. Awards, man. You can do some awards, yeah, this year, really. This one's from Namrata.
They'll send awards to your house now. No more bouquets, only awards.
Dear Karan, happy birthday to the handsome hunk Karan Taka. Thank you. May God bless you with good health, wealth and happiness. It's too less for me to talk about you because each day you're growing and reaching new heights. Thanks for being so sweet and kind and meeting you. Remember your promise. I actually don't remember my promise. I mean, I'm horrible for that. I mean, excuse me, but please remind me. Alia also wishes me. June also wishes me. Thank you, guys. Jeel, Veenal, Shrirani, Shweta, Shifali, Vandini, Harneet. Kitna? Nitya, Kendra.
It's Kendra or Kendra?
I'm assuming it's Kendra.
Kendra.
Yeah. Thank you all, yeah. Thank you. Special mentions and thanks. There is no way we can end this book without giving us massive thanks to the fabulous Taka. Crystal D'Souza. Taka, you are probably unaware about this, but Crystal has really gone out of her way to help us. We know how busy she has been shooting, yet she took out the time to help us. Without her help, this gift would have not been what it is today. Thank you so much. You are super lucky to have her as a friend. But thank you to her from all of us. Thank you. She deserves it, and we will not leave you alone till we receive confirmation that she has received something. There is nothing on what?
What?
Once again.
She deserves it and we will leave you alone till we receive it.
Oh, special request. I must treat her with something. I gave you mint, no? And I bought you coffee today.
You got me Starbucks.
Starbucks. She's a fantastic friend, yaar. Abhi kya bolun, she doesn't talk to me in the middle. When you all don't see interviews, that's when she's not talking to me. She's spotted me.
Excuse me?
It's true.
Excuse me? I'm not talking to you.
You all should know this.
Excuse me, I am
And
not
when
talking
we start
to
giving
you.
interviews
He's
again,
not
it's because
talking
of
to
me,
me.
because I
No,
talk
no,
back to
that's
her.
not true. That's not true. No,
End of the book.
we
There
don't
are
match
5
times,
people
okay?
taking part in this book. With this, we have come to an end of this fantastic book. It's Shivani, June, Alia, Kanishka, and Namrata. all five of you all, thank you यार. मतलब कौन करता है यार आजकल किसी अनजान इंसान के लिए इतना, you know, but बाकी आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि you know, you all take out so much time to make an actor feel like an actor, you know, to truly make us feel, to give us star-worthy treatment, and you know, making these books, you know, the flowers that you all send, the gifts, everything, you know, it's truly memories that we cherish, and you know, when every show comes to an end, you know, the show's also eventually going to come to an end, and but all these memories, all your messages, all the love that you all send us, you know, is honestly what we take back from every show that we guys do, and you know, it's the adulation that makes a show as big as you know, what we have today. So I think from both our sides, we know we'd both like to thank you guys a lot for you know, watching our show over 400 episodes, and you know, taking out the time to do all this. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Taka the heart hacker.
Happy birthday.